I think the moral of this whole video is gonna be do things if you like it,
Yeah.
and if you don't like it, let it go.
Exactly. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
My channel. Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to our channel.
Uh.
I'm the brain behind it all and she's the editor. But either way, we thought we would do something different in this video, something serious.
It's currently 2:32 a.m. as we're filming this, and we
Yeah.
just had to get this message out to the world.
Yeah, we thought it would, because we are motivated, more on energy at this time of the day.
Yay!
We thought we would give some tips and tricks and some advice on law school now that we've completed more than 4 years.
First tip: do not join. I think this is the important aspect. Don't join. If you're here, leave. Bye.
Yeah, just try to look for first. Everything starts with CLAT. If you're not yet given CLAT, please work harder. Top 5 CLATs or above, top 5 colleges or above. Otherwise, it's not really an easy job. Especially with the advent of AI, jobs are not easy. Don't trust the placement figures. Don't trust LinkedIn posts. Just don't.
Victims of job ghosting.
Yeah. So that's how it starts. So on academics, Pratiksha, what do you think? How to maintain a good CGPA, and is maintaining a good CGPA even worth it?
I feel like it is worth it.
I have to say.
I hope it is worth it. But how to maintain? Interesting question.
Yeah, because Pratiksha has maintained a
Oh,
great
yeah,
CGPA
just
without
me.
studying a lot. Like she
Actually,
really can
yeah.
answer these questions.
Fair. I don't study, but I hope. See, it's depending on person.
Yeah.
If you want to maintain a good CGPA and you know that you need to study, continue. But if you know that you don't really need to study, you just need to know how to answer the question. First of all, look for what the teacher's talking about. It's not what's correct, it's what the teacher wants. Unfortunate reality of Indian education,
Yeah.
but that's just how it is.
Hmm.
So if you're confident that you can study in 2 days and then just give the answer that the teacher wants, great. And maybe you can pay attention in class also. That way you'll know what teacher is talking about. But my tip, just first know yourself.
Hmm.
Yours?
Yeah, my tip would be like, of course, whether it's worth it is yes, especially if you want to like apply for higher education, etc. Your CGPA will matter, your rank and all will matter. Again, your rank with relation to placement perspective will depend on how good your college is. No comments on our college. So yeah, so all in all, it is definitely worth it. And second, of course, knowing yourself. For me it takes me longer to grasp information, so I take considerably longer to get to know the material that I have. So at least starting 1 week before an exam is very important for me.
1 week, just 1 week.
just 1 week. Yeah, and I think
Actually,
that works.
honestly, it's fine.
Yeah, if you take even longer, you can take like 2 weeks. For Pratiksha, it takes 2 nights or 1 night.
Yeah, depends on the subject.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, for like math related subjects, some BA subjects will definitely have math and concepts and all. They might take you longer. Direct tax,
fair.
personal law,
Yeah,
etc.
personal law, tax. Although I did do those in 1 night, but
Then she cried also. a lot.
yeah, I cried a lot. So if you know yourself and you know you hate math and you don't want to torture yourself, do it beforehand. On to the next
Yeah.
topic.
The next portion is
Extracurriculars.
extracurriculars. Again, doing ADRs, moots, the big M word in our law school journey, and any other kind of like debates and all. With relation to debates, I'll start with the most irrelevant thing out of these 3.
Wow.
I have a personal biasness against it. You don't really need to debate. Don't pressure yourself into debating. It's fun.
If you're into it, do
Yes.
it.
If it's- exactly.
Yeah, if you want to. Also, that's like for everything. If you're into it, do it.
Except for CGPA. Like
Yeah, you should
academics
be
have
into
to
it.
do
Yeah.
that.
I think you should be into it, but also, yeah, if it's extracurricular and you want to put your time into debating and all the other aspects of debates,
Yeah.
then go ahead.
And make sure that, especially debating out of all the things, is not making you vomit blood, etc. Because I was
don't-
so anxious in the first year.
Yeah. I didn't
Yeah.
do it because I didn't want to.
It's supposed to be fun.
Yeah.
Debate is just fun.
If it's giving you anxiety, leave it.
Yeah. And trust me, no difference after 5 years. So don't think, oh, CV and all may debate matter. No, zero, nothing.
Yeah, it's only for your personal gain,
Yes.
satisfaction.
Yes. Moving on to ADRs.
Oh.
The next, like on the scale of significance, like insignificance to significance, second is ADR. Very subjective, very blah blah, but it's very fun. It won't stress you out. You can do it. Some great competitions can give you great opportunities, internships, etc. But don't think that they will land you jobs at the end of the 5 years. CV koi badhiya nahi ho rahi. Don't think about it. We earned a bunch of money by one competition. Like that competition
Pondi
was
trips,
great.
sponsor.
And then we went to Pondicherry because
Yeah.
of that. So if you can do all those things and have fun.
Honestly, yeah. You can also win money through debates, though. To be fair.
Yeah.
Shout out Ayyar and all the money he won. But yeah. So I mean, if you want to debate, go for it. If you want to do ADR, go for it. Although I feel like ADR might give you a little more like life skills as a lawyer,
Yeah.
because it helps you with negotiation and understanding business. But debates just help you talk. So in case you want to learn how to talk, debate. If you want to learn how to negotiate,
Yeah.
ADR.
But one important thing about ADR is they are very pretty expensive competitions
Yeah.
with not great returns. So think about it before you're applying.
Yeah, they're all very subjective.
Yeah.
If you think you've done well, only you're thinking this.
Exactly.
And if you're thinking that you're doing badly, again only you are thinking this.
Yeah.
So
Third, most significant thing, mooting. Bad thoughts.
I have no thoughts. I did one mood. I mean, to be fair, both of us did one mood each. But I mean, I just did it for the experience.
Yeah, I did one constitutional law moot. Pretty chill. We did it in our second year, both of us. It was an experience. It was hard. It teaches you team working.
Yeah.
It simulates.
Drafting.
Yeah, it simulates the law firm chamber experience in the best way. So if you want to learn how it is, if you are stressing out and vomiting blood while preparing for a moot, trust me, you will do that in the law firms also. But that's not me demotivating you.
So sad.
Yeah, you can get used to it. But it is a hard thing. But you should
Yeah.
definitely do it once for sure.
Yeah, you should. It's all a good experience. Do everything once.
Yeah,
It's all fun.
exactly. I think that's a good rule. Like at least
Yeah,
once, and then if you don't want to do it, just leave it. Like we did.
Committees.
Yay.
Okay.
Thoughts?
Priya has some great experiences with committees. I
Yeah.
think she can give better thoughts.
Like just in case people will watch, I will just be very
Diplomatic.
concise with it. Yes, diplomatic and concise. Your mental health always comes first. So always choose which committee you want to be a part of. But I would always recommend be part of 3-4 committees in the beginning, first 1-2 years. It's okay. Switch between committees, have experiences, join, be in a place where people are actually nice. Because I was in a committee in my first, second year. I was and after that also I was in a place where the seniors were great. But things change, and it was just, you can always chase vibes with the relation to committees. Again, committees won't give you great CVs.
Agree.
Committees won't give you jobs.
You know what they will give you is a connection with the batchmates.
Yes.
Not not batchmates, with your college mates.
Yes.
I mean, I love my committees. So
Yeah.
I had great fun, made a bunch of friends. It was all fun. Yeah, chase vibes. Go to committees that make you happy. If you're in a committee that's toxic and bad, leave it.
Yes.
So don't be so stressed about, oh, is it going to affect my life? It's not. You know what is affecting your life? Your mental health.
Real.
Let it go. Let it go.
That's the only thing that's real.
Actually, yeah. Nothing
Yeah.
else matters.
True.
Anyways, final concluding thoughts on...
On committees, clubs, etc. Do it for fun.
Do it for
and
fun.
do it for your seniors, do it for
make
people.
some friends, yeah.
It'll give you nothing else.
Yeah, it'll give you some good, you may learn teamwork. You
Yes.
probably will learn how to use Canva because,
Yeah, especially for second year.
most useful app for any committee.
Yeah.
Canva. You also learn how to draft stuff and you also learn accountability and all. So all that is great
Yes.
as a team
Again,
member.
yeah, committees and clubs simulate law firm environments very well, especially high functioning committees. You might have moot committees in your college, ADR
Yeah,
committees,
like
and
corporate.
other some committees which like have to function like every 2 weeks. They have to arrange like competitions and all. So you will definitely learn working in pressures and etc.
Yeah.
In that.
Was there-
Yeah. So
Any-
yeah, do it if you want.
Yeah, do it if you want to, don't do it if you don't want to. Was there anything else?
I think extracurriculars may, yeah, sports and all, you should definitely do it. We don't do it.
We don't do it because we're bad,
Yeah.
but you should always give it a try.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
didn't, but that doesn't matter. Give it a try, and if you're like, you can always improve, or you can just do it for fun. Do
And one very
fun.
important thing, don't leave out your hobbies when you come to college.
Dude, have hobbies, yeah.
Don't. Because you will enter depression for sure.
Yeah. 100%.
Yeah, that statement stands for itself. Like no explanation. Just follow it.
Keep your hobbies.
Keep your hobbies. Don't leave them
Yeah.
in school. Don't think, oh, CV is the only important thing.
Don't. If
Fuck
you're into
CV.
dancing,
Yeah.
dance. If you're into painting, paint. If you're into filmmaking, make films.
Yeah.
But, don't let it go because you want a job.
Real. The point of it all being, you might have the best CV in the world, and still you might not get a job at the end of the day at your desired pace.
Yeah.
So trust yourself, trust your rhythm, and be okay every single day. Like don't crash out.
Last topic is
While crashing.
internship.
Yes.
Important.
The big
very
I
much.
word, yes.
Very important.
Internship, we can never like underestimate, like overstate its importance.
Yeah, it is. I have nothing else to add. Just no notes. Just very important.
Yeah.
CV
CV wise again is very tangential. Remember, internships they teach you so much.
Yeah, you literally learn everything
Every-
there. And I learned all my law at internships.
Fair, like so real.
And yeah,
And you learn applying your law over there. You learn
Yeah.
actually what you're meant to do after those 5 years, whether you even want to do it or not.
real
We learned so many things, like what we don't want to do in the last 4 years.
facts.
Which is a great thing. Elimination, deduction, you have to do. And yeah, start with
It also
Yeah.
helps you build connections, which I found out are very important.
yeah. They will but yeah, connections will save you at the end of the day.
Yeah.
And
Intern.
again, yeah, start with small like district court internships. Move to high court if you can. It'll be fun. Just observe things.
It's so
have
fun.
fun.
Actually, it's really fun. Yeah, just have fun.
First 1-2 years are just for fun. 3-4th year, yes, pain starts. Then corporate law, small boutique firms and all. Then you
If
can
you're
move to
into
tier one.
corporate, if
Yeah.
you're not, then
Yeah, ours is a little.
depending on what you want.
Yes.
Always know yourself.
Hmm.
Don't rush into things that are not for you.
Because corporate jobs, as we move on, will decrease year by year with the adoption of AI, etc. So don't run after it just because you want to experience it. You might not get a job. So if you want to do it in the long term, you want to stick with it, etc. You should follow it.
Yeah.
And then there are chambers. There are a lot of career opportunities that we'll be more qualified to answer later on. But right now,
The catch is next year.
Yes.
This will be happening on Zoom.
true placement workshop.
Workshop.
But yeah, just like internships are great. Like important, of course. Minimum 5 you have to do. BCI
Yeah, first of
mandated.
all, you need 5.
Yeah.
So do those. But apart from that, do ones that you want to do. Don't. Also, if you feel like your internship partner or anybody, your senior, is being creepy or weird or annoying, leave.
Fair.
My moral. Every time I speak, I'm like, just leave it. But actually,
Yeah.
don't put yourself on the line for something on your CV. It doesn't matter. What's more important is how you are feeling and how you're treated in an internship.
Especially as women, a lot of
Yeah.
in the law
Struggles.
field, you're not really appreciated for your work.
Yeah.
Sad. Yeah, this is a conversation for another video. But yes, be careful of your surroundings, as Pratiksha said. Be careful. Leave internships if you have to, for sure. And yeah, do one internship in one break minimum. Like, don't apply beforehand 3-4 months. Be prepared, like with a plan. Ki what do you want to do in 1 month? Don't try to push 2 internships every summer.
Yeah,
winter
don't
break.
burn yourself out. Give some time for your family. Have fun. Go out with your friends
Yeah,
if you have.
if you have any friends.
If you have any friends at all, go out with them. Or just go out with your family. Have fun. Don't don't waste 4 years of your life rotting on your CV, and then even if you have the best CV in the world, there might be something else,
Yeah.
and you won't be able to get a job at your desired pace. You never
yeah.
know what's in store.
Things are out of your control. You will get things when it's divinely fated. So chill out. If
By
whatever
the
you
way,
believe in, God,
shout out to our second channel.
Oh yeah.
Like
Subscribe to our channel.
if you find okay,
Yeah, just
there is-
find. We
there
won't
is a
name it
second
though.
channel, but we're not gonna name it.
Because-
If you find it, you are supposed to hear that divine message.
Yeah. We'll post great things over there.
Yeah.
But yeah, law school is a 5-year paid vacation. Enjoy it.
You're paying for the vacation.
Yes, you're paying for
All
pain
vacation.
also though.
Yeah, you're also like, it's also, you know what, apart from all this, you know what's most important? Friends. The people you make.
Yeah.
The people you connect
Yeah.
with. I mean, in your first year, you might be friends with like a lot of people. If you look back on the history of this channel, you will see the transition of us.
Yes.
But it's fun. Everything's fun. Take everything to be fun
Yeah.
at the end of the day.
Yeah. You see how we've changed as people, our
Yeah.
surroundings, etc.
It's funny.
Things will change. Don't cry over people though. Whatever's meant for you will just like sit with you. Like
Don't
this
cry
girl,
over
I don't
people.
treat her well, but she's like, no, treat your friends
I've
well.
been Priya's friend since first year
Yeah.
for God knows what.
I don't know for what reason I abuse her. But yeah, like choose your friends. If you like your friends, be nice and be amazing.
Yeah.
But if you
Yeah.
don't like people, just like
It's okay.
don't matter.
It's
But
okay
keep
to not-
connections, yeah.
Yeah.
Don't make enemies.
Don't make enemies. Don't cry over people.
Yes. Don't cut your hands and all.
Don't do
all
anything
that shit,
crazy.
bro.
Yeah.
Please.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Get new friends.
Yes.
Anyone, you can always make, you know, it might feel like the end of the world, but you can always make new friends.
So relax.
You aren't
I'm sure you're
horrible.
not.
Yeah, exactly. So
I'm sure our viewers are not.
don't worry, girl.
The 14 viewers that we,
Yeah, just me, you,
yeah. Like
Our
5 of our
friends.
friends
Yeah.
and then the other.
that's all. Just a few of us
Yeah.
watching the video 2-3 times.
Yeah.
So yeah, you guys are not horrible people. Anyway, any final statements?
Final statements is enjoy and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Like this
Subscribe
video.
to this channel, and if you find the second channel, subscribe to that as well. We'll not be telling you any other information about that though.
Yeah.
So, you know,
Also comment if you think we should make videos on any other new thing. If in case we do get great viewers. But either way, have fun and subscribe. Bye.